people, especially group of people who was struggling when it comes to their family, na the reason you're here kasi parang nahirapan pa kayo bago magpaalam or bago, alam mo yun, yung probably yung iba sa inyo tumakas pa kasi may persecution from the family, ayaw kayo payagan pumunta dito, and even nakikita na nila yung changes in your life, sa heart nyo, kung paano i-treat yung mga kapatid nyo, even your family nyo. I just wanna encourage you na kahit ang hirap or kada igising kayo in the morning na ayun na naman, may sermon na naman yung parents nyo, just God is telling you to just focus on Him. You may not know kung ano na yung changes or transformation na nafe-feel ng parents na even yung mga kapatid nyo in their hearts, maybe hindi lang nila sinasabi kung God na sila alam niyo, na-weird in a good way kasi bakit parang hindi nila yung nakita sa kanila pero sa inyo, nakikita nila yun. So just wanna encourage you to just focus on God, na huwag nyo i-magnify yung hardship or yung suffering, even yung persecution na naisip nyo from your family, friends, relatives. Don't think of that. Just focus on God. God is the one who's holding your future. You may not know kung ano yung future na in-store ni God in your family, pero God is the one who's holding your future. So just focus on Him and just let God move in your family.
Ano yung para sa inyong word na? Ano yung sa